The top 10 air defense systems in the world reflect a strategic shift toward layered, networked, and high-speed interception capabilities. Modern warfare is increasingly dominated by aerial threats such as ballistic missiles, hypersonic glide vehicles, armed drones, and stealth aircraft. To counter these threats, nations rely on advanced air defense systems that integrate radars, interceptor missiles, command and control networks, and real-time surveillance. With rising geopolitical conflicts and missile proliferation, air defense systems now play a crucial role in protecting airspace, strategic assets, and civilian infrastructure worldwide. Air defense systems. Air defense systems are military technologies designed to detect, track, intercept, and destroy hostile aerial objects including aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and unmanned aerial vehicles. These systems combine long-range surveillance radars, fire control radars, interceptor missiles, and battle management systems into integrated air defense systems, IADS. As per global defense market estimates, the air defense systems market was valued at $46.55 billion in 2024 and is projected to reach $81.92 billion by 2035. Market projected to grow at a CAGR of 5.27% between 2025 and 2035, driven by hypersonic threats, drone warfare, and missile modernization. Top 10 air defense systems in the world list. The top 10 air defense systems in the world are ranked based on operational range, interception altitude, target spectrum, combat performance, and technological sophistication. S-500 Prometheus, Russia. S-400 Triumph, Russia. The United States. David Sling, Israel/USA. Patriot PAC-3, United States. S-300 BM/Anti-2500, Russia. Aster 30 SAM/T, France/Italy. HQ-9, China. Barricade, India/Israel. Iron Dome, Israel. 1 S-500 Prometheus. The S-500 Prometheus is Russia's most advanced strategic air and missile defense system, designed for next-generation warfare. Maximum interception range of up to 600 kilometers for ballistic targets and 500 kilometers for aerial targets. Capable of intercepting targets at altitudes up to 180 to 200 kilometers, including low Earth orbit threats. Interceptor missile speed reaches Mach 20, enabling hypersonic interception. Can simultaneously engage 10 hypersonic targets traveling at 7 kilometers per second. Designed to counter ballistic missiles, hypersonic weapons, UAVs, and satellites. 2 S-400 Triumph. The S-400 Triumph is a long-range, multi-target air defense system widely deployed globally. Maximum engagement range of 400 kilometers with altitude coverage of 30 to 56 kilometers. Tracks and engages up to 36 targets simultaneously. Uses multiple interceptor missiles including 40N6, 48N6, and 9M96 variants. Effective against aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and UAVs. Operational in Russia, India, China, Turkey, and other countries. 3. THAAD, Terminal High Altitude Area Defense. THAAD is a high-altitude ballistic missile defense system developed by the United States. Engagement range of approximately 200 kilometers. Interception altitude up to 150 kilometers, enabling exo-atmospheric kills. Uses hit-to-kill kinetic interceptors without explosives. Interceptor speed exceeds Mach 8. Deployed in South Korea, UAE, and integrated with Patriot and Aegis systems. 4. David Sling. David Sling is a medium to long-range missile defense system jointly developed by Israel and the United States. Effective range up to 300 kilometers. Designed to intercept tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, drones, and aircraft. Uses Stunner interceptor missile with dual seeker technology. Interceptor speed exceeds Mach 7. Forms a key layer between Iron Dome and Arrow systems in Israel's defense architecture. 5. Patriot PAC-3. Patriot POC-3 is a combat-proven air and missile defense system manufactured by Raytheon. Engagement range of 160 to 170 kilometers. Effective interception altitude up to 24 kilometers. POC-3 variant uses hit-to-kill technology. Widely deployed in over 17 countries, including Japan, Germany, Saudi Arabia. Integrated into multi-layered missile defense networks alongside the 6 S-300BM/Anti-2500. The S-300BM is a mobile long-range air and missile defense system developed by Russia. Maximum engagement range of 250 kilometers. Effective interception altitude up to 30 kilometers. Capable of engaging aircraft, cruise missiles, and intermediate-range ballistic missiles. Interceptor missile speed exceeds Mach 7. Deployed in countries such as Egypt and Venezuela. 7 Aster 30 SAM/T. Aster 30 SAM/T is a European air defense system developed jointly by France and Italy. Operational range between 120 to 150 kilometers. Interception altitude up to 25 kilometers. Uses Aster 30 missile with active radar homing. Capable of engaging short-range ballistic missiles and cruise missiles. Deployed by France, Italy, and Singapore. 8 HQ-9. HQ-9 is China's long-range surface-to-air missile system. Maximum engagement range of 200 kilometers. Effective altitude of approximately 27 kilometers. Incorporates phased array radar technology. Designed to counter aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. Advanced variants include HQ-9B and HQ-9C. 9 Barricade. Barricade is a joint India-Israel air defense system designed for land and naval operations. Engagement range of 70 to 100 kilometers. Interception altitude up to 20 kilometers. Uses active radar seeker missiles. Effective against aircraft, UAVs, cruise missiles, and anti-ship missiles. Deployed by Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, and Israeli Defense Forces. 10 Iron Dome. Iron Dome is a short-range air defense system developed by Israel for rocket interception. Effective range up to 70 kilometers. Interception altitude around 10 kilometers. Uses Tamir interceptor missiles. Achieved a combat success rate of over 90%. Designed to neutralize rockets, artillery shells, and mortars in real time.